Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the ignition to on, but keep the engine off so accessories are active. Open the Noodoe app and sign in. If you don't have an account, create one now because pairing needs an authenticated profile. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are enabled, since Noodoe requires both to discover the scooter. Once done, position the phone within 1 meter of the scooter display and tap the app's pair or add vehicle button to begin scanning. When the app shows nearby devices, select the scooter ID that matches the code on your Noodoe display. This prevents connecting to a neighbor's bike. The app and scooter will display a PIN, verify the digits match and confirm on both ends so a secure link is established. Grant the app requested permissions such as notifications and contacts if prompted. These let Noodoe show calls and alerts on the dash. After confirmation, wait for the app to report a successful connection and sync user settings. You finish by customizing the display layout and ride profile in the app so the info you need appears on the dash. Test core functions. Start a short navigation route, have a colleague call you to verify incoming call display, and check ride log sync to confirm data transmission. If something fails, a quick fix is rebooting your phone and scooter, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and retry pairing. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the app before contacting dealer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.